Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open web pages in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Slack app, and then it opens up in the home menu where we have our channels, our direct messages, and our teammates. From here, we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the person icon, then tap on preferences. And here, if you scroll down a bit, in the advanced section, we find open web pages in app. Now, if we have it turned on, it means that the app is going to open the web pages in its UX. But if it is turned off, we can turn on, and then the links that are sent in the chats are going to be opened there in the chat. So it's going to look like an embedded site. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.